off. Originally released in 2008. It's a French game, but it got ported with a it got re-released, remastered like a year ago, I think.
That's really interesting. That's a cool. I might like look. How much is it?
Well, the non-remastered is free if you can find it,
Oh, okay.
but the actual one is probably like $12-ish, $19.49 off discount.
1949. Ryass.
But I doubt it is. Pardon?
There's a dude here. Okay, what you said?
But it's probably not the hardest thing in the world to pirate.
I could pirate anything. Just gotta put your.
Actually, it might be a little difficult because you usually get the you just might download the wrong one
Oh.
and get off non-remastered. And that will be funny.
No, get away from me.
Some of the puzzles are bullshit though, so it's gonna take. It took me a while. I didn't find the solution one of them. I just brute forced it. Then watched this other video of this guy talking about the game, and he also brute forced it. So I still don't know the solution.
Oh.
Yeah.
No. What do you think about beef jerky?
Overpriced, and they don't fill the bags at all.
Exactly, bro. I fucking hate beef jerky.
Why did command prompt just open?
Oh.
Wait, walk that back.
Hold on.
I was just peacefully texting Royce and command prompt open.
So you got hacked again?
What's
It's funny. Bro, I need a rod. I need a rod.
And my computer's.
Computer. Holy shit.
It's frozen. It's Discord's frozen. My computer's fine. I hate
Okay.
Discord.
Discord
Where's
sucks.
Task Manager? Yo, there is nothing on my taskbar in this computer.
What happened?
I don't know. It just took everything off my taskbar when I saw. Oh no. Microsoft Copilot still there. Did it upgrade me to Windows 11?
Did it? In the background? Oh my god. Bro, you're fucked. This guy's a rod. I want your rod, boy.
I don't think it upgraded me to Windows 11 because it said something about like, oh, Windows 10.
It's like a really cool. Bro, I'm fucking ass at this rod PvP shit. I'm leaving. Bro, I'm gonna. Come here. Yeah, come here. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, let's smell this. I'm gonna get this guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Give me a sec. Oh! Get away from me! Get away from me!
Release me. That one was for you.
Thanks. Really helps a lot. I'm just gonna walk away, bro. Fuck this. I'm gonna get some beef. I don't know how to like craft arrows or anything.
Ethan.
What's the
It's
arrow
a
recipe?
feather, a stick, and some flint.
Feather, stick, or flint?
Feather on the bottom,
I
flint on
don't
the top.
have any. Oh, I do
stick
have
in the
flint.
middle.
I don't know. I do have flint. Okay, I was lying. Thanks,
Splat.
Joey. Bro, I never beat survival Minecraft. Like, I don't know how to do it. Like,
Yeah, I think I beat it one. I never beat it alone.
yeah, I beat it like with people. think I beat it with you. And like
That did happen.
all of them. But I don't know the processes to beating it. Like, I don't know how to do it.
Well, you gotta go get ender pearls, and then you get blaze rods. And you just go to the end, and then you can fly that into the end balls. And you throw them in the air, and those lead to the ender portal. And then you put all of them in the ender portal, and then you go through and kill the dragon, and then you're done.
Hmm. Okay. It's not that complicated.
Nope.
I was always fighting the Ender Dragon with iron armor, like.
You don't need more than that.
I look-y like kept dying the whole time. Every time I fought the thing I'm pretty bad at
Its health doesn't
survival.
go back up and if you destroy the crystals, so if you had enough attempts, you
Yeah,
could
yeah.
just win like that.
I was running in like with my fist like after I died, like the first time usually.
I mean, that would work,
Yeah.
assuming you got the crystals done.
Yeah, I mean I just let Jared do it for me.
Mm. Fair enough.
Okatsu. Let me see this shit. Bro, this guy's definitely better than me at the fucking game. But I'm like outgearing him. Oh fuck! 9. Alright guys, that was the video.